Okay, so this is what it looks like up close. So right here you can adjust it and you have these different icons. You got a dot, a circle, crosshair, and a circle crosshair. Welcome back, guys, to another Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we're checking out the Reflex laser red dot sight. So it comes in this really cool hard case. I love this case. Alright, let's see here. We got a screwdriver, we got 2 batteries, we got a cleaning cloth, we got a manual, we have our tool for tightening, and we have the red dot right here. So this is what it looks like. Pretty cool, guys. You got your button on the side, you got your adjustments on the front and the back, so you can change your design of the sight. So the icon, you can have it just a dot. By turning this little lever, we'll show you guys up close in a second. It also tells you how to operate. Under here is the mounting bracket. Now this is a laserless beam sight, so that means you're not going to see a beam coming from here onto your object. You're going to see it within the screen, so you're going to see it right in here, but yet it's not going to shine anywhere else. You have your up right there, you have right there. Alright, let's go ahead and turn this on and show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so as you hold the sight, you're going to see that nice, I mean, that's really nice. Crosshairs. So the further away you are, the bigger the crosshair is going to be. And in person, the camera kind of shows it a little blurry, but in person it's not blurry. It's actually a really nice red. So the further away you get, the larger it's going to be. And again, you can just simply change your icon by twisting that. And now, check it out. Now we got a circle. Overall, guys, this is really nice. I love the quality. And for mounting, you just use the tool, you loosen it up in here. Make sure you see and read your manual for the different guns it can fit. And check out the listing.